Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol DKNG. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, a very nice movement on this one today. The upwards trend, the upwards momentum, whatever you want to call it, continues, and certainly a lot of updates need to be made. So first I'm going to do here is actually a couple of house cleaning notes and just get rid of these lines here. Sure, those levels pertain. They're just not relevant right now from a presentation standpoint. I don't want to risk causing clutter and confusion because there's lines everywhere. So let's try to keep this as clean as possible. So the first update that needs to be done comes about based on a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of resistance are broken and closed above, you want them to act as support. So one of the newest areas of support is now going to be at $44.50. What I'm actually going to do is adjust this level up to this $45.50 mark and call that the ideal level moving forward. Ideal meaning, if you say, Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? That would be if the price can stay above $45.50. Now, don't get me wrong, if the price falls below that level, that does not imply the entire chart's destroyed or ruined or anything like that. But yeah, if the price could manage to stay above that level, then that would certainly be a very, very impressive sign of power moving forward. Taking a step back and looking at all this from the bigger picture point of view, that is where the purple line comes into play, that line being the 50-period simple moving average, keyword being moving. So as time goes by, that line is going to move itself higher and higher, which is very helpful because as far as just gauging the health of the overall move, that right there being defined as the move, just watch that purple line. As long as the price stays above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full control. How you can best visualize that? That is what is being represented. Again, yeah, staying above 45.50 would be great, but from the grand scheme of it all, as long as the price is above that purple line, the bulls 100% own the chart. As far as areas of resistance are concerned, what I'm going to do here is just squeeze down the chart here. So we're going to have to go back a bit into the chart's history here to pinpoint where some of these next key battlegrounds are. So next key level, right up there at, we'll call it the $48 mark, and then just in case this big old movement continues, next key level after 48, right up there at $49.75. But all in all, very, very impressive movement today. So let's see if the price can continue to build upon this momentum moving forward. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.